In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to negotiate a higher salary and prepare for a job offer. I start by asking ChatGPT to act as my negotiation coach to help me professionally request a higher salary without damaging my relationship with the employer. The AI provides a comprehensive strategy guide, highlighting key mindset shifts and providing scripts that focus on collaborative language rather than being demanding. It also breaks down common mistakes to avoid, such as over-explaining personal needs or accepting an offer too quickly without asking for more. Next, I provide specific details about a marketing coordinator role I've been offered to receive a more tailored negotiation plan. ChatGPT analyzes my experience and market data to suggest a target salary of $45,000 and a safe walkway number to protect my value. It then walks me through how to frame my specific achievements, like growing a social media following and increasing engagement, into a compelling case for a higher rate. This ensures my counteroffer is backed by measurable results rather than just a feeling. Finally, I request a polished script that I can use for both a live phone call and a professional email follow-up. The generated scripts are structured to lead with genuine appreciation for the offer while clearly stating my requested number and the justification behind it. I review these templates to ensure I am prepared for any response, including how to handle a fixed budget or a minor increase. This entire process gives me the confidence and the words I need to represent myself as a high-value professional. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.